The first few minutes of every session are the most important. Here's why. These first candles set the opening range, the high and the low. That's it. Two lines, OR high at the top, OR low at the bottom. Every algorithm, every institution, every market maker is watching this. Price is inside the range. That's the chop zone. See this? Back and forth, no direction. This is where retail traders get chopped up, forcing trades. Dumb. Same chart, same ticker, same day. The only difference, two lines. The opening range candle hit, identical on both sides. The right side get the opening range, OR high and OR low. Left side, nothing. You are flying blind. Price chops around. On the left, you are guessing. Do I buy? Do I sell? On the right, you know exactly what's happening. Price is inside the range. You sit on your hands. Price drops. Left side looks like a sell-off. Panic time. Right side, that's OR low. Buyers defend it. Bounce. The level told you. Now price climbs left. Just green candles. It could go anywhere. Right? It's heading straight for OR high. You're ready. And there it is. The swept above OR high. Left side, total chaos. You have no idea what just happened. Right side, you saw it coming. Go short. Without the opening range, it's a jungle. With it, every bounce, every trap, clear as day. Same candles, two lines, change everything.